Welcome back to the channel. I am Tiffany. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today's video is going to be another makeup tutorial video. Now, I used a darker lipstick this time because I guess I was feeling all in the fall spirit and stuff. Yeah, after getting the flu. So, yeah. So I decided to do a darker lip. Now, this is just a little bitty, just a little disclaimer, You don't have to wear dark lipstick if you're not comfortable with dark lipstick. Like I said, I just decided to do it because I was in the fall spirit. I haven't done a dark lipstick with neutral eyes in a while, so I wanted to do that. And two, this look here is just so simple, easy to where you can transition between all kinds of different lipstick colors, whatever suits your fancy. So you can definitely feel confident with this look. It can go a long ways. So anywho, before we move along to the video, I want you to do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button for me so you don't miss a video when I upload a new one to my channel. Anywho, let's get into the tutorial and I hope you enjoy it. guys, as always, don't forget to visit the blog at www.tiffanydbrown.com, where you'll find more pictures of this look, as well as all the products will be listed and linked in case you want to purchase anything. I will also put those links down below in the description box if you just don't want to go to the blog, which is totally okay. But you know, like I always say, it's not going to hurt you to check it out. So anywho guys, thanks so much for tuning in, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.